Morning everyone. In today's class I will discuss product life cycle in marketing. Till this video I have discussed all the 4 stages of PLC, that is product life cycle. There are 4 stages as introduction, growth, maturity, decline. Now I will discuss the example of product life cycle. Here we can see it is written Colgate was the first toothpaste in tube in 1896. So Colgate came in 1896, means it is an introduction stage of Colgate. 1896 is introduction stage of Colgate. It went to capture the market world over. Afterward it went to capture the market world. It is growth stage. Second is growth stage and became the highest selling brand in the world in 1999. It means it reached at highest. As I told you before, highest means the peak point, means sales are at the peak. So it is in 1990 it became mature, so it is the maturity stage. You can write down in bracket 1896, in bracket you can note down introduction stage. It went to capture the market world over. You can write down in bracket growth stage and highest selling brand in 1999. You can write down in bracket maturity stage, and has diversified into oral care range and still affords to reckon with, means it is still continuing in the market. So it is not in the decline stage right now. It is Colgate is still in the maturity stage. Here we can see the diagram of example. Product life cycle of Colgate, as on x-axis we have drawn time, on y-axis we have drawn sales. It is the same curve which I had already drawn. I had already discussed in curve of PLC. Similar curve is there, but example is of Colgate. So product life cycle of Colgate. Draw time on x-axis, draw sales on y-axis, then partition the graph into 4 stages: introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, decline stage. Then draw the curve same as we did before. Sales will start from 0 in introduction stage, then they will start growing but with a lesser amount. Okay, in growth stage sales are growing, so curve will be in upward direction. In maturity, sales are not growing, they have reached on the peak point. Afterward they become balanced, continuing. And in decline stage, sales started declining. So according to time, sales are different in all the stages. In introduction stage sales are 0 and they are growing, and with time sales start growing. Afterwards, after the time, sometimes sales will become highest or will reach at the maximum peak points. Afterward, after some time sales will start declining. Here we can see the example of Colgate. We have written in introduction, we have given Colgate 2-in-1, comma, Colgate toothbrush. In second stage we have written Colgate Herbal, Colgate Active Salt. In maturity stage we have written Colgate Max Fresh, Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection, then Colgate Total Teeth Whitening. And declining we have not written anything because Colgate is still in maturity stage. So this is PLC. It is very important to learn PLC with example. You can give the example of any particular product. Here we have taken the example of Colgate and we have shown all the 4 stages of Colgate, and with the curve according to time, sales are increasing and decreasing. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline. 4 stages are marked here with the names of Colgate products. So this is the topic for today. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos. Okay, thank you.